This jump demonstration shows how to make a tree map. We're using the airline delays data from Jump's sample data folder. A tree map displays the levels or values of variables as rectangles of different sizes. To create one, go to Graph, Graph Builder. Place a categorical variable into the center drop zone, and then select the tree map icon in the palette at the top of the window. Here we'll display labels on the tree map by selecting Size Value under Tile Labels in the tree map properties on the bottom left. This tree map displays a set of rectangles, one for each level of the categorical variable airline. The rectangle for each level is sized proportionally to the number of rows in the data table for that level. Additional variables can be added by placing them on the x-axis, either within or outside the variable that is already there, or by placing them in the group X, group Y, or wrap drop zones. Note that by default, the coloring of rectangles isn't based on the data. It's just to help distinguish the different levels visually. To color the rectangles based on another variable, drag that variable to the color drop zone. Here, we'll color by arrival delay, and each rectangle's color now represents the mean arrival delay value for that airline. You also can size the rectangles by a continuous variable. Here, we'll move airline delay to the size drop zone, and then select the summary statistic that the rectangle's size will represent. Here, we'll size by maximum arrival delay.